So the blue app, which is, you see the left corner here, there's blue app here. Blue app, you can, when you install, there's a login page. Your login page, you will just, for example, I will just log out, for example. Okay, log out. I'll log out, right? So just like when you install Blue app, just like that. Okay. Then you see I have a Healy. Okay. You have Healy, you have login here. What's that mean, login? Login is the username you signed up with Healy. Email address, you have your password, you receive that password. So second email will be your password reset up. So you will reset up your password. That password is the key for all the Healy website, even the application for Healadvisor search for that. So that password, make sure you remember it. In case you forgot about your password, you need to use your email address to recover it. You can say, I forgot my password, okay? Then you can reset as many times as you want. Make sure you remember it, okay? So again, you can log in here with your email address, password, email address, which is you have your profile with Healy, password, which is second email you receive, you set up by yourself, okay? And you terms condition, you put that terms condition to sign up here, okay? This is one way to do it, okay? There's another way to do it, okay? You will not use Healy this way. How do I go back then? You can set up as I want to show you.
You want to do the demo?
Yeah, I want to go to the demo.
I had to go back again. Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no back button. Okay. So you can use demo. Let me try this. I cannot say use this is use reset a password. It's not because I want. Okay. Let me do that. How do I do this? Demo is the it's a unit. You can, how do I say? Let me try to use different one. Uh-oh, sorry. So demo unit, it's the one you have to, let's say, for example, you give your Healy to a neighbor to try 1 week, okay? Because when you log in with your login password, which is you have your profile, your own profile, your customer, your client in that cloud, in that database. So you don't want other people to see. What do? You use demo. Demo is it's just like a vehicle you give to your neighbor to use it. It is like act as a vehicle. She or he can drive it, something like that. So she used demo, and all the function Healy offers, she can use it. Only thing she cannot see your database. All right. So that's why use demo is better way to do it. I have to exit before I can show you the demo. Okay. 1 second. Stella, you can take over. I can shut down my.
Okay, sure. So probably this is the last time we show you guys for the blue apps, because I can give you guys some heads up. Dr. Michael Chen said Healy World going to provide the new blue app for us. The new blue app is very like high technology. Everybody, I think, have a great experience with the Healy app, the Healy 2, right? So the new blue app is the same thing. So more easier, faster for you to use. We don't even have any emails, any username information anymore. So hopefully probably March we're going to receive this information. Just to let you guys know, okay? Yeah. And also, if you cannot remember your username, your your password, so it doesn't matter, just using the demo. Demo is more easier, and also it's more faster for me. Okay, so far for the pink dot and for the blue dots, if you have anything, any question, just let us know. Okay.
So for the Healy, hold on a second. for the you log in, there's a if you have two Healy, so you can share with the same login, okay, to use one Healy. Of course, you cannot use at the same time, right? I think let me skip here.
But you didn't show us. There's nothing
Yeah, I'm going to share right now.
Okay.
Screen. Okay.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. All right. So there's Blue app here. This login page. So the bottom here start demo. Okay, this is the demo unit. Okay. Of course, when you every time you do a Healy, the synchronization change, so the download is pretty fast, but depend on your internet speed. Okay. So this is sometimes people are stuck at the 20% because the big file really the 80% stuff is did like first few minutes. Okay. Once it passes, that's fine. So you can see top, the bottom right corner is demo, DEMO. So there's a client information here, list, okay? You can see there's nobody here. You can add a client, all right? So whatever I have my profile in that Healy, it's nobody can see it, okay? So this is the best way to, if you don't want to go with your email, everything, this is a simple way to use a Blue app, very simple. In the past, we have a password, we have a master key. People are sitting in the cloud, have input the master key. It's too complicated. He made it very easy now. Okay, if you log in with your email address, you don't forget, you don't remember your master key. You can reset your master key, or you can email you. For example, use iPhone. I have another phone. I have Android phone. I want to use the same account login. So they will authorize by sending you a text message with the code, just like you know, other time you use other apps, they'll verify that ID is you. So it takes you a code. That's your cell phone, or you can receive that. Here it's your email can receive that code. Okay. So that way it's all you are authorized another phone to access your cloud. All right. But here your neighbor, your friend don't have a Healy, just he or she can do a test drive. All right. So you can add a client, which is person or animal, plants, organization, building, vehicle group. Okay. Which means you can target a person to do analysis, or you target to an animal to do analysis, or you have a plant, it's dying or not healthy, you want to target with, even your house, okay, organization, you have a company, you have a vehicle, you have a group, okay, you want to target with. So this is the, you want to add to it. So the top, this is the top right, top corner, there's menu, there's a import from address book, which is you can import all the client. Of course, we don't need to because there's so many of them, information is not accurate there. There's house here, which is you can see the client list. What's that list mean? List means you have whatever the analysis you had in the past, like history or list here. You can rename it or you can delete it, whatever, it's based on your situation. There's like the hard graph here, there's analysis, okay? There's this Healy, it's like professional. So there's professional edition, there's 3 analysis here: resonance analysis, coaching analysis, aura analysis. There's a setting here, okay? You can do setting. Setting here, there's like cloud service, there's a synchronization. Synchronization you put on the right, and you can, for example, like that, they'll synchronize. Once a while you do synchronization, maybe once a month, it's up to you. But you don't, if you don't want to, you just leave it like that, okay? Once it's fully synchronized, they will tell you how, maybe you synchronized like 3 minutes ago or a month ago, okay? So this is how you do add a client, okay? You add a client, you can choose, let's say we choose an animal, okay? This is, you can take a photo of animal. You can take it from a picture of the animal. Same thing for a person, okay? You can put a person name, you can take a photo of yourself. Okay. The photo wise, you better use your own real time, like right now, or maybe in that very recently photo without any like modification of the photo. Like we used to like a beauty cam or something, or filter the lights from it. Don't use it. Just use original photo of you. You can change the photo anytime. Okay. Even you don't happy with today, you can do tomorrow. Right? You can always change it. When you do upload the photo, and then, for example, this is a photo, okay, a pet, whatever, a photo, and do vibration. Vibration wise, you need to hold on your Healy, say, please hold your Healy in your right hand. Okay, just like picture shown here. And there is a plus sign, record a vibration. Okay, when you record a vibration, then keep it quiet and just record it. Okay, when you hold on to it, because right now there's Healy here. I can connect with Healy. No, this is wrong Healy. That Healy is just gold edition. Cannot do it. Let's do it again. Okay, animal. Okay, take a photo like that. Record the vibration. First name, last name displayed as, you know, for example, you see this is Charlie, okay? And you can put it as Charlie, okay? Birthday, which Charlie was born, the place was born, date of birth, and female, male, and street address, and circulation, and save it, okay? This is how you do, okay? I will just do like, for example, Charlie, I just put a date, like maybe, you know, December, okay, 2014, okay. It's this 5th, okay, for example. I choose a date and place, okay. I just say it's Barry, for example, okay, it's a male, okay. And Charlie, it's right now in Toronto, okay, whatever the address, right? You sync with the cloud, okay, and check mark here. Save it, okay. Now you can do all the analysis here. The analysis, there are so many analysis, okay. For residents, there are many of them you can choose from, okay. There's an animal module here, we just choose module. And fingerprint here, it's not collecting your fingerprint. It's just like your focus, your attention here is with Charlie. You just touch it, use your finger, whatever the finger, you can touch it and trigger the analysis. Okay, so there's percentage, you can see 49%, 47%, there's 42%. This is a relativity, which is you can consider as a priority to it. 49% is low priority, 42% is a lower priority. Okay, you can run defense program, suffering, microbiome, eyes and emotions. You can show report to, you know, send to the owner of this puppy. And you can do vibration as well. Okay, vibration is, you know, you can choose for a few seconds to a few minutes and up to a few hours. The reason there's so many options here is based on what's your intention to do it. Then usually we do 37 seconds for the acute. For something chronic, use 2 minutes 49 seconds. You can do 12 minutes or 26 minutes. The longer time is for something more rigid. If it's for people or an animal, you can put very short time. Okay, you can do multiple times a day, but you don't need to for a long time. Okay, for buildings, for vehicle, you can put 4 hours, 8 hours. All right. So you do vibration, just click and just, for example, you set up 12 minutes and just let the machine run itself, and you can do whatever you want to do at that time. Okay. Then when it finish, it's done. Now we have, if it's human being, you can choose any other programs. Okay. There are so many All Healy program. The All Healy program will show what's the most needed for Charlie right now. They'll give you top five. Okay. They rank top 5 category. Yeah. So you can see scan is pretty fast. In the next generation Healy will be even faster for scan and reading. Okay. So stimulation program, 60 program, which is related to the pain, job program, okay, which is related to stress, and 57% related to the skin, and watch which is related to the heart, and 33 related to the sleep. Okay. You can do a combination of all those categories, give a frequency, a vibration to it, select the time to it. If it's stimulation, you can do a stimulation analysis. Maybe there's T, related to T, maybe it's arthritis, maybe it's pain with migraine, maybe it's pain with sleep or insomnia, it could be anxiety, it could be depression, you know. So whatever's rank is higher, usually you can use the microcurrent one. For the pets has a harness, you can buy the animal kit. For people, we already have the cables you can do with the microcurrent one. Based on this reading, you can prioritize what do you need right now with your time. Today, you know, you just scan yourself to see where you are right now and what you need in the most for that program for that day. Okay. So for example, I can do a scan for stimulation, which is pain program, right? There's so many, each single program you can scan it, just say overall, what's this you or maybe the pet, you know, the target of the people or person or animal is it's about right now. Let's do a sort of pain, for example, where's the pain? Stimulation is here, okay. You can trigger analysis. So number three is for T, I think, for T and jaw pain, okay. Number 1 is probably chronic pain, okay. So this is the overall, so we can send the frequency like that, okay. Because this is like a robot, it's easier for you. You just click it, that's it. There's nothing else you need to do, all right, okay. So in terms of program database selection, this would be my suggestion here. Well, Healy program you can run first to see what's the top 5 for this person or for this animal, and then you can see what's, if it's gold cycle, you scan gold cycle, and then see what's in that gold cycle. Maybe it's pure, okay. Then you hook up the cable with yourself and or pet to the pure, all right. If it's for emotion, you can do bush flower or even like soul cycle or mental balance for emotion balance, okay. There's for now they don't have Magia Medica. It's inside of that bioenergetic harmonization or creative homeopathy psyche inside of that. Okay. So for anybody who's new, you want to try it, I will scan for her for homeopathy psyche. This scan take longer time because big database, but it's not a good rating. You can find that so people will relate to them very closely, okay. If this organ, you can check the meridian, okay. What's the organ, for example, heart, liver, or kidneys. They'll show what's the priority for this puppy, okay. Bladder, okay. So the generation, You can send all those frequencies to this puppy right now, and for yourself as well, if it's yourself, okay? So basically, this is how you use it, okay? And there's a coaching module. Coaching module, it's easy. You can put focus here, put finished sentences, which is like a wish list you want to achieve, but put positive sentences like you already achieved. Don't put any negative word. For example, you have pain. You would just say pain-free. I'm pain-free, for example. I'm pain-free, right? For example. And this is database here. You can choose from career, emotion, family, finance, goal, personal potential, self-worth, social, and spiritually. Because this is poppy, right? There's no career. You don't need no finance. Okay, no goal. Maybe there's a goal. You just want to be healthy and live joyful life, or relationship, whatever potential. But for its people, you can select what is your goal. It could be financially. It could be, for example, financially. You just put number here. You can put one, like put 1 or 2 or 3. Like this is the reading you can get out from 445. Those sub item there. You show one item to you to give you back report. You select that, and then you can do that, do analysis. This is or finance, for example. But I'm just showing this is how you do that on the program. Okay. For Aura, you can do an Aura scan quickly, and machine will read very quickly about Aura. Okay, so this is Aura. So this is overall Aura. The total number 64, which is total like this is the bar, like energy level with this number here. Show there's 7 different chakra. Some are up and some are down. There's not even, but the more averaged out, I think it's more in harmony. Is better. There's 3 check mark here, which is show you the lowest number here. You can choose all the number if you want to start analysis. You can include high negative relevance. Negative relevance doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It could be just something issues not being activated, not very active, and maybe it's a subconscious stuff. Okay, so then you do scan, and machine will read quickly. Once you have reading, I will send that report to someone who want this report, or maybe just simple, just do a vibration. That's it. This is a report. You can send the report to someone. You can share with the report. And the internet is not very high. Okay, this is a report. You can show that. You can do that. You can just send a vibration, like a few seconds. Okay, start vibration. This is like little robots for you to do it. Basically, that's how we run Flow app. You can just get familiar with it and practice it. Each single, for new people, start to just beginning. You can scan with your own family members. Each single item, just check what is the situation. I think you'll be amazed this device can offer. Stella, anything else you want to say?
Yes. So, you know, everybody knows the Blue app is amazing. And of course, sometimes we are facing some challenge when we showing people, when we're doing the demo to our guests, especially for the strangers. We ask them for the pictures, personal information, or, you know, especially we ask for the fingerprint. Some of them, they feel like, you know, they want to keep their privacy. They refuse that. And Healadvisor company, they knows. That's what I heard. I hope it's true. It's not a rumor. The new Blue app, there's no longer have this fingerprint. They are using artificial intelligence, high technology to using the consciousness, to using the thinking. For example, I want to analysis Claire. So I just thinking of her and using this brain waves to resonance with her information field. It's amazing. It's excellent. I can't even wait but hopefully this is true. It's not rumor. Let's figure out soon. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we have everything covered. Thank you.
Yeah, I think